Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenja TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Chiba 0. I'm John Baben, my brother.
Yes, Alan, okay, can you tell us about Nkomo? Nkomo had 10 years break. Alan, no one even today that is overtaking the team. You're telling us about Nkomo. Who is Nkomo? We give you the break. You failed to overtake. Why is Nkomo? Hey, can you tell us against the Chiefs Nkomo? Kaizer Chiefs is a very big team in South Africa. When they play, every country yeah.
Whoa. The man of the match, one.
The man of the match, number 4.
Number 4 is
Usita Kwinika.
Usita Kwinika.
Yes.
Man of the match.
Yes.
Thank you, Jayam.
Yes.
Thank you, Jayam.
Yes.
Scan and QR code winner 25 rand.